Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I have another Walgreens haul for you guys. These deals started on Sunday, July 4th, and they are good up until Saturday, July 10th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, you guys, let's go ahead and get right into the deals. Okay, so for this transaction, there are really no special deals in this transaction. I wanted to use $50 in Walgreens cash to get stocked back up on some items in my stockpile that I was getting a little bit low on. So that's my primary reason for doing this transaction, and I didn't want to have to use my own money. So that is why I used $50 in Walgreens cash. So we're going to go ahead and start with the Dawn dish soap. So with the Dawn dish soap, no coupons for those or anything. They are just priced at Walgreens this week for 99¢. Dawn is something that I always have to make sure that I have in my stockpile because I sell these in my bundles. I also use them myself. So I have to always make sure that I'm completely stocked on Dawn. So whenever I see the 99¢ deal, I make sure that I stock up on them. And then I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Febreze car fresheners. These are priced at Walgreens this week, 2 for $6. We do have a $3 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. And so with using that digital coupon, it brought the total down to just $3 for both of them, or it makes each one $1.50. And then I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the soft soap lavender and shea, and then I also grabbed 2 of the soft soap antibacterial. So these are priced at Walgreens this week for $1.99. Normally these would be priced at $2.99, but I was so excited to see that they were actually priced at $1.99 because if you look in the ad shows the 7.5 ounce and it also shows the 11.25 ounce, which is these ones right here, for $1.99. But I wasn't completely sure if these were going to be that price also. But and they weren't even tagged at my store. So but when I went online, I saw that they were priced at $2.99 online. So I just decided to add 2 of them to my cart, and then they changed from $2.99 to $1.99. So I just assumed that that's what they were going to do if I bought them in store. So these are a part of the $1.99 deal. So I purchased 4 total. So $1.99 times 4 is $7.96. The deal is when you buy 4, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So $7.96, I did receive that $4 back in Walgreens cash. So that brought my total down to $3.96. Also, you guys, I didn't know about this until after the fact, but if you go to the soft soap website, you can print off 50-cent coupons for these. I think the total you can print is 2. So if you plan on getting some of these, just make sure you go to the soft soap website and you should be able to print off 2 50-cent coupons. But I did not have them in this transaction. So after receiving back that $4 in Walgreens cash, it'll bring your total down to $3.96. But if you check IBOTTA does have a rebate for 50 cents back. I think the limit is 5. I purchased 4, so I got back 50 cents times 4, which is $2. So $3.96 minus the $2 that I got back from IBOTTA brought my grand total down to just $1.96 for all 4, or it makes each one just 49 cents. Now, if you print off those 2 50-cent coupons, it's going to make your total just 96 cents for all 4 of these, which is an even better price. So really good deal on these. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 3 of the complete home storage bags. I am always using these. I do have quite a few in my storage, but I did not feel like going to my storage trying to look for these. So I went ahead and grabbed 3 more just to have stocked up in my apartment. And then these are priced at $2.79 and they are buy 1 get 2 free. So one will ring up at $2.79, the other 2 will ring up free. When you divide that $2.79 by 3, it makes each one just 93 cents, which is cheaper than Dollar Tree. So this is the best deal. And then I went ahead and grabbed 3 of these snack bags. 50 comes in here, same thing, buy one get 2 free, priced at $2.79. So I wanted to go ahead and stock back up on those. And then I also grabbed I grabbed 3 of the Arm & Hammer OxyClean laundry detergents. This is the 43.75 ounce. These are priced at Walgreens for $6.99, and they are buy one get 2 free. I didn't have any coupons for these or anything, but Arm & Hammer is something that my brother uses. So whenever he purchases a bundle from me, he always uses the Arm & Hammer. So whenever the buy one get 2 free deal comes around again, I try to make sure that I stock up with at least 3. So $6.99, when you divide that by 3, it makes each bottle just $2.33. So use whatever register rewards, Walgreens cash that you want to use so that you don't have to pay that full $6.99 price. And then I actually made a mistake on the Febreze Air. So I purchased 2 of these because I thought that these were a part of the 2 for $6 deal, but they are not. So these actually rung up for $3.99. I did purchase 2. And they rung up for $3.99. And I was wondering why the $3 digital coupon did not come off. But once I went back and checked, these did not qualify for that coupon. So this was a mistake on my end. So just to let you guys know, these do not qualify. On the coupon, I just saw where it says Febreze Air. And once I saw that, I just automatically assumed that these were included. But they are in fact not included. So once I actually clicked on the coupon and read the description, that's when I found out that these were not included in that. So do not make that same mistake that I made. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 of those. You know, I paid full price, but at least I really didn't have to pay for it out of my pocket. Okay. And then I went ahead and I grabbed 4 of the aluminum foil. I try to make sure that I'm always stocked up on aluminum foil because I do use aluminum foil a lot. And I think in my apartment, I probably got down to like 2. So I thought that this was the best time to go ahead and stock up on these. So these are just priced at Walgreens this week. Well, they're on sale on sale at Walgreens this week for 99 cents. The limit is 4. You can choose these, or you can either choose the Smile and Save paper plates, the 64 count. I was actually going to grab 2 of those and 2 of these, but they didn't have any of the plates at my store. So I just went ahead and I grabbed 4 of these. So each one cost me 99 cents. And then I purchased 2 of the Scott Comfort Plus tissues, and I purchased 2 of the Scott paper towels. So with the Scott, they are regularly priced at $5. We do have a $1.25 IBC coupon on the Walgreens app. When you use that coupon, it's going to bring your total down to just $3.75. We do not have any other digital coupons for the Scott paper towel or the Scott tissue. I also checked the Scott brand website, and they did not have any printable coupons on the Scott brand website either. So, but I wanted to go ahead and stock up on some more Scott tissue and toilet paper. So that's why I got that. And I think I went over everything. So yeah, this is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. Like I said, no fancy deals or anything. These are just items that I wanted to stock up a little bit more on. So that is why I got that. So let me go ahead and show you all my receipts. So my Arm & Hammer, buy one get 2 free. The first one rung up $6.99, the other 2 free. Nice snack bags, $2.79, the other 2 free. My gallon bags, $2.79, the other 2 free. Both of my soft soaps rung up at $1.99, so $3.98. Soft soap at $1.99, so $3.98. And then 2 of my Febreze card, they rung up 2 for $6. And there are my non-dish soaps. All of those rung up at 99 cents. And then here's the Febreze Air Effects that rung up at $3.99. These are the ones that I thought were a part of the 2 for $6. And then my nice aluminum foil, all of that rung up like it was supposed to. And then my Scott tissue and paper towels. So as you can see, my Febreze card did come off. And so it brought my subtotal to $55.42. So that price is actually $1.98 higher than what it was supposed to be. but I went ahead and used $50 in Walgreens cash. So I did have to pay the $5.42 out of pocket, which I used my PayPal debit card for. So I did not have to use any of my personal money. And then when you look down here where it says earn this visit, I did earn $4.08. That $4 came from me purchasing 4 of these soft soaps, along with the $2 that I got back from IBOTTA for the soft soap as well. So all in all, you guys, I am happy with this transaction. I got stocked up on items that I needed. So I am happy about this transaction. I also submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards. On my Fetch Rewards account, I had 2 separate Scott rebates. If I remember correctly, I had a Scott rebate to where when I buy 2 Scott paper towels, I get like 1,500 points back. And I think if I purchase the Scott paper towel, the Scott toilet paper, I would get like 1,000 points back. So total, I don't remember how much I got back total from the Scott, but I will insert a picture. But it was over $2. So actually I got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, around $8, maybe a little bit more than $8 back from this transaction. So that was good because I didn't even know that I had that Fetch Rewards rebate until I scanned my receipts and I saw that I got those amount of points back. So that is going to be it, you guys. If you all like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and your family. Leave me some comments down in the comment section letting me know what you guys got this week so far at Walgreens. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points. Same thing with IBOTTA. If you are not using IBOTTA, I will have that linked in the description box below as well, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $20 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. Last thing, you guys, if you are not following me on Instagram, please go ahead and give me a follow over there. I will have my Instagram link in the description box below. So again, that is going to be it, you guys, and I hope that you all enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.